All right, this thing's been a lowrider for far too long. It's time to put a lift on the Nighthawk giveaway Gladiator. Now we've got a 3.5-inch Adventure X lift kit from Rock Krawler. Let's get these boxes open and see what they sent us. One of the cool things about the Rock Krawler Pro X Triangulated 4-link, you don't need that track bar anymore. All right, remember these? These are the Bilstein shocks that I went all the way down to San Diego, more precisely Poway, California, to visit the Bilstein factory and, well, to see how they build the shocks. Get a good tour, hang out with Mike and Riley and the rest of the gang down there. I even got a chance to talk with Mike and Shane on the Bilstein podcast. Now, we did do a video on these and that tour. If you're interested, you can see that in the notes here. But for right now, let's get these installed. We finally have lift going on the JT. We can finally put our Bilstein shocks on. for our ride and drive, we have this little test loop we like to do. It's got a little chicane to it. There's some flats. Then we have an uphill going through some really tight turns. And this gives you a really good feel on how a suspension will react on a vehicle. And so far, well, I'm not surprised at all. The Rock Krawler suspensions, they always work good. And these Bilstein shocks, they're nice and firm and controlled. There's no harsh bumps, and you don't have, it's not sloppy in the corners. It's a nice, well put together kit. So now as we get into a couple wide sweepers, one thing I want to touch on is that rear triangulated suspension. Now, some people won't notice it as much on the road, but it really does trail better than a track bar, and that's just because of how it's centering that rear axle. And a regular track bar is adjusting. It's actually moving that axle slightly left and right, or should we say the chassis on the axle. A lot of people won't notice it on the road, but off-road, you really notice it in the flex and how much more it'll flex. That's because how the track bar attaches laterally from the chassis down to the axle. And as you're flexing, it's actually causing one side to bite a little harder than the other. I mean, we want that bite, but with that triangulated rear, you're gonna give a nice even bite on both tires. It'll help you hook up, help you climb a little bit better. With the ride and drive done, let's go ahead and head back to the studio. Well, there you have it. The Rock Krawler 3.5-inch Adventure X lift kit with the optional rear triangulated 4-link and those long travel Bilstein 8100 shocks. And that's a lot of flex for any Gladiator suspension, especially one that you can get right off the shelf. And when I say off the shelf, you can order up this Adventure X lift kit, that optional 4-link rear, and those Bilstein 8100 rear shocks, and we'll have them to you in just a few days. You can bolt it in, and you're gonna get that same lift, the same flex, and the same ride and drive that we got. Now, for lift itself, we got just right about 3.5 inches of lift in the front, and we got just under 4 inches of lift in the back, and that's without a spare. So by the time you bolt a spare up in the back, it'll settle a little bit. And by the time we get it out on the trail and really flex those springs in, the whole suspension will settle just a little bit. But before we can get this JT back out on the trail and bring you some off-road action, we need to get some bigger rubber under it and some wheels worthy of having bigger tires wrapped around them. And just like we showed you with that juice giveaway, we're gonna review a tire that we haven't done yet here in the Northridge 4x4 studio. And we're actually excited to do this one because we know a lot of people are running them and we haven't had a chance to test them ourselves yet. So in the meantime, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, and thanks for watching today. We'll see you in the next video. Bring out a tire that, well, we haven't shown you in the Northridge 4x4 studio before. And it's one that we're really excited about